What's up, funky munchies? Today we take our second take on Turkish Delight. Now, it has been recommended to us that we try the fruit flavors rather than the marshmallow cigarette ash flavors that you could see us try up here. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see what it is. Oh, it might be over here. I don't know. We'll see.
Alright, so these are, well, first off, Grant thought this said these suck. We're not really sure what it says. It's in a different language. These are straight from Turkey.
Let's talk about the flavors real quick.
Alright, do that while I...
Yep. So the red one we have is pomegranate. The orange is orange. The green is kiwi. And this dark, poopy color one is coffee. And Phil,
I didn't want to interrupt.
Alright, so these ones are all those flavors mixed with nuts of assorted variety. I believe hazelnuts and almonds and walnuts. Pistachios.
We're nuts about nuts.
Yeah. Here, look.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's give these a shot. Let's open them up.
Ooh. Let's let them see. Wow. It looks like almost like beef jerky. There's no green ones though.
What the heck? There's no green.
Wait, where's our kiwi one?
And what else is missing? Or is that it?
That's it. Alright.
So there's supposed to be kiwi.
Wait.
Instead it looks like a meat tray.
Instead there's supposed to be kiwi, but we got this extra one that doesn't actually fit into the...
What the heck?
See that?
That was weird.
There's
and they
two
look
in
like,
this last
This one looks like dried salmon. This one's maybe like a dried meat, and this one is also
like
a dried
Slim
meat.
Jim of some sort.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's give them a shot. I was excited about kiwi.
I was too.
Alright, what should we try first?
We're gonna go with the pomegranate.
Alright, I'll go with you.
Alright. Oh. Nutty.
Mmm. Oh, that's good.
Way better.
It almost has like a licorice
like a
consistency, and then pistachio in there. It's super nutty.
Almost like a Nutty Max. Not really. That's good though. It's sweet. Very licoricey tasting to it. I see someone's already gonna go right for the orange, so.
Isn't there another flavor missing?
No, there are 4 flavors.
Oh no, there's not.
The orange one. Some nuts.
So we're gonna give this one a try next. Not as flavorful as the pomegranate.
Subtle orange flavor. Oh. You gotta get the right.
So that orange one had almonds in it. Then we have the coffee one here on the end.
I think there's sesame seeds in these too.
Yeah, there is. You're right. There's sesame seeds. I don't know if you guys can see them.
I'm a big coffee fan.
Ooh, smells good, like a mocha.
No, you said the orange one didn't really have an orange flavor, but
No.
if you got without the nut, it did taste very orange.
Alright, right?
Oh yeah, coffee.
That's really good. It's not as sweet as the other ones. It has more of a savory flavor.
Almost like a coffee.
Like a coffee, exactly. And it has almonds and the sesame seeds in there.
Yeah. That's good. That's a good switch up. Like I would alternate with one of the fruit ones and a coffee one. I wish I had a kiwi one.
Yeah, kiwi. I was most looking forward to kiwi.
It almost has like a raisiny taste. Raisiny.
Ooh.
Raisin?
No. Very strong coffee. Pomegranate's gonna be my favorite though. Delicious.
I think the pomegranate definitely was the best. Because we were able to compare it to something we knew. But
pomegranates?
I don't even taste pomegranate. I get more like a cherry. I think the pomegranate one was probably the best. The coffee one was probably my second favorite just because it was different.
Yep.
And then the orange one. But all three were definitely better than whatever we tried before.
Yeah.
Go on, you got it.
Are you sure?
Go for it. You can do it.
Okay. They were all better than the one we tried initially, which leads me to believe that the one we tried initially was probably just not a good one, or maybe a more acquired taste.
Yeah, definitely. These are definitely very American friendly based on what we're used to eating.
Correct. I agree. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the shirts. $17.99 plus shipping. One of the cheapest shirts on Teespring. So check them out.
Oh, I feel like I'm gonna be sick.
What? Oh, okay. Grant's gonna be sick, guys. Stay funky.